If you are producing with vMix, getting your stream into Dacast only takes a couple of settings. Start in your Dacast dashboard. Open your live stream. Then click Encoder Setup. In the RTMP Encoders dropdown, select vMix. Dacast will lay out exactly what you need to paste in. Copy the server URL and your stream name or key. Back in vMix, open Settings, go to Stream, and choose Custom RTMP Server as your destination. Paste the URL and stream name or key from Dacast into vMix. If your setup calls for a username and password, add those on the advanced screen. Whatever quality you pick, keep the video on H.264, your frame rate at 25 or 30, and your bitrate mode set to constant. Click OK, then hit Stream. Once the button turns red, vMix is pushing your feed to Dacast. Back in Dacast, open the General tab, and under Sharing, click Preview, or paste the share link into a browser to confirm you are live.